Hi, it's Kathy again. This is kind of part 2 of Friday, April 29th. I wanted to film over here. You see the buzzard, he's down there still doing his thing. I'm going to be quiet and see if you can hear the birds. Oh, there goes the buzzard. I don't know if you can hear that little bird that's going. My daddy, oh, I miss my daddy, but my daddy was a nature dude, probably where I got my love of nature from. And he would sit out on our back porch in our log house in Wimberley, and he would whistle at all the birds, and he sounded just like them. And he really loved to whistle for that bird. Daddy could tell you what it was. I don't know if it's a titmouse or a wren, but Daddy would know. Anyway, I walk on my walks every morning and I hear that bird, whatever that bird is, singing, and it just reminds me of my daddy, because I hear my daddy, and I just know my daddy is with me in spirit and heart every time I hear that bird. Anyway, so you guys all have a happy, great day. Talk to you later. Bye.